Your morning breakfast just got a delicious, dessert-inspired makeover. It's almost too pretty to consume. Almost. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to enjoy dessert for breakfast that's still balanced and nutritious no matter your age. Breakfast banana splits! To begin, we're going to prep the overnight oats. In a container, add 2/3 cup of quick oats, 1 cup of Fairlife 2% chocolate milk, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Stir to combine, then refrigerate overnight or at least 2 hours before eating to allow the mixture to thicken. Chia seeds are the key to help thicken your oatmeal overnight and also provide omega-3s and plant-based calcium. Next, peel and cut 2 ripe bananas in half lengthwise. Divide the halves between 2 bowls with the split sides up. Then, divide and spread the chocolate overnight oats between the 2 bowls, followed by 3 dollops each of Fairlife ultra-filtered yogurt. Alternate between strawberry and vanilla for additional flavor and flair. This new yogurt line at Hy-Vee contains 50% less sugar than other leading yogurts and up to 17 grams of high-quality protein. Lastly, garnish each bowl with a fresh cherry on top, along with any additional desired toppings, like mini chocolate chips or whipped cream. Besides tasting oh so sweet, cherries are superfruits and packed with valuable nutrients like vitamin C and fiber. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.